ganyan talaga ako magsulat, sabi ni Doc. Okay? Style ko yan since residency. Okay na po yan. Okay? Kahit walang format, gets na ng team. O, yan ang hirit ni Doc. So, ilang beses mo na bang narinig ito sa hospital nyo? Opo, pero ganito. Okay? In case, bago sa inyo. Ilang beses na bang na-deny ang claim nyo dahil sa ganyang clinical style? So, let's be real. Okay? Doctors are trained to think critically. They make quick decisions and they document the care. Pero po, si PhilHealth, hindi nagbabasa ng style. Okay? PhilHealth reads structure, sequence, and compliance. Kapag ang notes ni Doc ay kwento style, shorthand or narrative na walang format, yun ang problema. The claims processors are left guessing, worst ho. Si PhilHealth, okay, are left doubting. Anong kulang, okay, sa mga ganito? Example ho, wala ang timeline kung kailan nag-start yung symptoms. Okay? Walang linaw kung bakit na-admit yung pasyente. Walang correlation ho. Yung labs and yung management. Okay? At times, walang clinical logic. Okay? Dun sa CF4 na hinihingi ni PhilHealth. So kahit tama ho ang gamot, tama yung diagnosis ninyo, no? Kulang pa rin sa mata ng system. Here's the sad truth. Kung hindi naka-format ang documentation, okay, hindi siya valid na evidence. And when notes do not follow the required structure, kahit gaano pa kayo kagaling, okay na doktor, malamang denied ho yung claim nyo. Ibig sabihin, okay, style mo man yan, pero kapag hindi align sa hospital policy or hindi ho siya pasok, okay, sa CF4, okay, talo yung hospital, talo yung pasyente, talo si doc, talo lahat. So ano yung dapat natin gawin? Understand your hospital's required documentation format. You align your HPI, PE diagnostics, and management ho in a structured note. Coordinate with your billers or your CF4 encoders para malinaw ho yung logic. Of course, you train your doctors, okay, to balance yung clinical freedom and administrative clarity. Let us be honest, this is not about taking away your style, okay? This is about protecting ho yung income ng hospital at yung benefit ng patient. Okay? Clinical style is good, but okay, equally important is revenue. This is Coach Doc Ben ho. See you soon.